morning, students. So, on last class we discussed about the topic is electrostatic potential due to a point charge. Electrostatic potential due to a point charge. That is that equation is V is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. Now today discuss the another topic. So electrostatic potential energy due to a system of 2-point charges. Electrostatic potential due to a 2-point charges of a system. Okay, so electrostatic potential energy means the total work done will be stored as a potential energy. Got it? So the potential energy, it is denoted by the U. Okay, so now first of all we take the charge is Q. Q be the charge or Q1 be the charge. So Q1 be the taken the charge. So the charge around, so the electrical field will be developed. Okay, so the electrical field will be developed around the charge. Okay, so now is taken the point B. Here point A. So the point B is taken small distance R. Okay, so the B point is taken small distance R. Now the Q2 is the another charge. Another charge is taken from outside to field to inside of the field at a point B. Inside of field at a point B. Now some work done, that is called as a W is equal to Q2 VB. Okay, Q2 VB. That is nothing but, so the Q2 is the some amount of charge is bringing from outside to inside of the field at a point B. So some work done, W is equal to Q2 VB. So VB means potential difference, Q2 means charge. So W is equal to Q2 VB. So VB already we know that. So V is equal to due to a point charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. Okay. So V is the potential difference due to a point charge at a point B is. So VB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. Now, so some amount of the work done, so the Q2 charge is taken outside to inside of the field at a point B. So that is called as some work done. So the W is equal to Q2 into VB. So Q2 into VB, so VB, that is the W is equal to Q2. Q2 is taken VB. VB is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 by R into QB are taken Q2. Okay, Q2. So now W is equal, total work done is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R. This total work done will be stored as a potential energy. So the potential energy U is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R. So this is called as a total potential energy due to a 2-point charges of the system. Okay. So the potential energy U is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R. Okay. So this is called as a 2-point charge of the system. Right. So now discuss the another topic. Now the dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field. The dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field. So to find out the torque already in a last class. Now today to find out the potential energy due to the dipole. The dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field. So the dipole is placed in the uniform electrical field. So to find out the potential energy. So now first of all, so the uniform electrical field. we can write uniform electric field. So the dipole is placed in the uniform electric field. The dipole is placed in the uniform electric field. So the dipole is consists of the two charges, plus q charge and minus q charge. The dipole is consist of two charges, plus q charge and minus q charge. These two charges are equal and opposite and separated by distance small 2a distance, separated by a distance 2a. So 2a is the small distance separated. And the dipole is placed in the uniform electric field, making angle theta with field direction, got it? Now, so the dipole is consists of the two charges and separated by a small distance 2a and is placed making angle theta with the field direction, Okay, so now here the force is acting on the plus q charge, and similarly observe the force is acting on a minus q charge also. So the force F is acting on a charge F is equal to plus 2e. F is equal plus 2e. And also here F is equal to minus 2e. Plus QE and minus QE. So the plus QE and minus QE, these two charges are equal and opposite. So the dipole is rotating. That means the torque experienced, the torque produced on the uniform electrical field on the dipole. The torque is produced on the dipole. The torque, so the tau is equal to, according to formula, torque tau is equal any one of the force into perpendicular distance between the two charges. So any one of the force into perpendicular distance between the two charges, that is called as a torque. Okay, the torque is acting on the dipole, that because the forces are equal and opposite. Okay, got it. So the torque tau is equal force we have taken any one of the force. Okay, so plus QE is taken into perpendicular distance between the two charges. So this is called as a perpendicular distance. Now A, B, C is the triangle is taken. Okay, A, B, C is the triangle. Okay, so sin theta is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite is nothing but AC by AB. So sin theta is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side by is means AC by AB is 2A is equal sin theta. So AC is equal to 2A sin theta. Okay, so this perpendicular distance 2A sin theta. Okay, 2A sin theta is the perpendicular distance between the two charges. Okay, now the value is substituting in the equation, that is the 2A sin theta. And so the torque tau is equal to 2A 2E sin theta. Okay, so P is equal, dipole moment P is equal 2AQ we can write, and substituting in the equation torque tau is equal to PE sin theta. So this is the acting of the torque force on the dipole. But the dipole is a rotating small angle, that is the d theta. Okay, some work done is taken, small work done is dw. Okay, the dipole is rotating, it is small work done dw, the rotating is the d theta. Okay, so the dw is equal to we can write equation tau d theta. dw is equal tau d theta. So dw is equal to tau. Tau means Pe sin theta. Pe sin theta into dt. Pe sin theta into dt. So this is called as a only small work done, but the dipole is rotating from theta 1 to theta 2. So the total work done will get. Okay. So we get the total work done. The dipole is rotating theta 1 to theta 2. So the total work done, integration are taken. So integration, so that is the dw is equal to w. So limits are taken theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, so integration of dw is equal w. Integration of dx is equal x. The small work done integration chestunnaithe, so we get the total work done. Okay, so w is equal to, okay, so the w is equal integration of theta 1 theta 2. So integration, so dw is equal Pe sin theta d theta. Okay, so w is equal integration theta 1 theta 2. P is the constant, so sin theta d theta. So since integration of sin theta d theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, got it. Integration of sin theta d theta is equal cos theta. Now substituting equation, and so w is equal to Pe integration sin theta d theta is equal cos theta. Cos theta, and so limits are go to outside of bracket, that is theta 1 and theta 2 we can write. Now after integration, substituting of the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so upper limit means, so w is equal to Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Okay, this is the total work done. Okay, as stored in a potential energy. Potential energy U is equal to Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Okay, got it. Now, if in the case of, so theta 1 is equal 90 degrees, theta 2 is equal theta. Okay, theta 1 is equal 90 degrees. So theta 1 is equal 90 degrees, cos theta 2 is equal cos 90. Cos 90 is equal 0. So we get the equation U is equal minus Pe cos theta. So this is called as a total potential energy. The total potential energy stored as a, okay, stored as a in a total work done as stored in a potential energy. So U is equal minus Pe cos theta. Minus P cos theta or P dot E. Okay, in a right in a form. Right. So now discuss the another topic. What is the capacitors? Okay. So how many types of the capacitors? So the capacitors are connected in a series combination and a parallel combination. Okay. So so capacitors means the energy stored device is called as a capacitors. Energy stored device is called as a capacitors. So just like the pan paina undetvanti capacitor, that is called as also condenser. Capacitor is also called as a condenser. Okay. So what use of the capacitor? So the capacitor is energy stored device. శక్తిని నిల్వ చేసుకునేటువంటి సాధనం. Okay, got it. Now, so the capacitors are represented by, so symbolic. So this is called as a capacitor. So the capacitor is consists of the two plates. That is called as a first plate and this is called as a second plate. One plate is taken positive, another plate is taken negative. Okay, one plate is taken positive, another plate is taken negative. So this is called as a capacitor. The two plates are equal. Okay, that is called as a capacitor. So the capacitor is energy to storage device, that is also called as a condenser. So capacitor, so in another, in a symbolic representation, so this is also capacitor, symbolic representation. Okay, so that means the capacitors are, so for example, is taken a beaker or a glass, so the some water will be stored in a beaker. That means the liquid are hold in a beaker. Okay, that means the capacity of the beaker. Same phenomena are involving in electricity. So the energy stored is depending on the device. The energy stored. Okay, so that means that means the liquid or the water is stored in a beaker. So depending on the shape and size of the container, Here also like that, the charge will be stored in a capacitors. Okay, so the capacitor just like here taken, so condenser or conductor or capacitor. So that means that is a conductor or oka vahakam. So a conductor, that is energy is occupied, energy is stored. Okay, energy, that means the charge is stored. Okay, so first of all we consider that is a conductor. So the conductor, the charge is stored. The charge is at any instant of time. The charge is at any instant of time is directly proportional to the potential difference. And that means Q is directly proportional to the V. Okay, so at any particular instant is taken, so the Q is directly proportional to the potential difference. So Q is equal to proportional negative some constant are taken, that is the C. Okay, C is equal to, we can write Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. C means capacitor, capacitance. Okay, capacitor, capacitance, C is equal to Q by V. According to the definition of the capacitor, so the ratio between charge to potential difference, is called as a capacitance. Okay, we can write the units are like in farad. Okay, farad. The units are measured in farad. So the potential, that ratio between the charge to the potential difference is called as a capacitance. So C is equal to Q by V is called as the capacitance of the condenser or capacitor. Got it? So the capacitors are as a combination of series combination and also connected in a parallel combination. Okay, series combination and parallel combination. So the capacitors are mainly number of our uses. So that is the energy storage device because. Okay, so we are connected in a series combination and also discussed in a parallel combination. Okay, in a next class.